Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan, who had previously avoided communication with Azerbaijani journalists, on May 15 in Tirana decided to answer questions from the public TV correspondent. It should be noted that the 6th European Political Community Summit is taking place in the Albanian capital. The question posed to the Armenian Prime Minister was clear: will the new constitution reference the Declaration of Independence? However, his answer was evasive. He claimed that there are no territorial claims against Azerbaijan in the current constitution. Then what does the declaration contain? Nikol Vovayevich. Pashinyan himself mentioned the dissolution of the OSCE Minsk group, expressing his readiness to support this initiative, but only simultaneously with the signing of a peace treaty. In the already agreed text of the peace agreement between Armenia and Azerbaijan, it is very clearly stated that Armenia and Azerbaijan recognize each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty based on the Alma-Ata Declaration, relying on the fact that the administrative borders of the Soviet republics have become state borders. This means that Soviet Azerbaijan is independent Azerbaijan, Soviet Armenia is independent Armenia. This is the first very important fact, said Pashinyan. There is also an article that states that Armenia and Azerbaijan have no territorial claims against each other and commit not to raise such issues or demands in the future, based on their legislation. Pashinyan then outlined his vision for the peace agreement, according to which it would first be confirmed by the Constitutional Court, then ratified by Parliament, meaning the document would have supremacy over local law, implying that the insulting declaration for the Azerbaijani state, which is essentially the basis of the 30-year conflict, may remain in the constitution. The whole convoluted monologue of the Armenian leader boiled down to the same thing: there is no need to change the Armenian constitution, but simply sign the peace treaty. Then Pashinyan, with a straight face, assured that he had supposedly seen territorial claims against Armenia in the Azerbaijani constitution. He did not specify where and what those claims were, but he demonstrated concern. And once again, he suggested signing the peace treaty as it is without removing the disgraceful declaration from the constitution and simultaneously with the dissolution of the OSCE Minsk group.